I took my drugs and took my love, and when I left out the spot, I left the party with the party marking X on the dot.
Yeah. So you slide your foot in there.
Should be on, yeah, but make an angle like that. Kind of like that. So let's see why that's fucking like.
Okay, still go in, right? Because they're a little bit flexy.
Yeah.
You want it super tight, because if it's not tight, your foot goes in, it's right your foot or your knee. Yeah.
That's kind of how the Kynes one was, like super heavy in the tail like that, but it was like a big lump in the back, like but same thing, like a big weighted tail. Kind of similar weight to this one, like.
All the
like
boards look the same.
pounds.
You know, I know which one the one. Feel right there.
Flatter.
No, feel the pressure. It almost, I think it buckles right there.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember hitting it. Yeah.
This exact board, but heavier for jaws, would be so fucking.
Think heavier?
Probably feel like.
Yeah, but here, I guess for the wind, yeah, you might want it heavier.
How close is that?
It's snug as a bug, like just perfect.
Paddle in the morning. Yeah. That's the plan. And then I come back with the ski.
Wait, you don't have enough cartridges? Yeah, that's one more thing we forgot almost.
I have.
Need a couple? Like two? Or how many do you have?
Oh, see, that's way better than mine. Mine is so fucking thick. That's nice. That's a good one.
The other one had like a little right there. It looked trippy to me. Let me see.
Oh, it's light. That's light. Oh, good. No rocker. Love it. Good board.
I never tested this one, but they're pretty similar. The ones that they got.
At the horse house, checking it.
Yep.
How's it where you guys are?
Is
Here's
it clean?
It's clean. If it was giant, it'd be firing.
Move.
I'm thinking with this.
So what?
I'm thinking when the tide turns and comes back in, and it's gonna get a little bit bigger. There'll be plenty of waves. It'll be fun.
That should be the push. If it's not there, if it's not firing now, that should be the push.
Yeah.
It's like glassy over here.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Breeze going
Can
up.
you see the waves, or you just go out and see them once you're out there?
I can see this ocean and it's really rough. Like there's some swell, but then over by the statue, it's clean. You can't see them from here. You can see little white waters. That's about it.
Well, I'll give you a report from here. Let me know how you guys go.
All right, we'll be back there about 12 at the latest.
Okay, perfect.
We're on fucking Nazare is firing, but there's sets. It's like 20 feet, and we're gonna go out there and we're gonna scope it out and hopefully get some bombs. We're in on the harbor right now. We're gonna go jump on the ski and go check it out. No expectations, but we're gonna have fun. We're gonna get some bombs hopefully. So we're psyching. We're on. Gonna choop them. Bruh, it's so fucking cold.
He knew he'd come here, but we didn't know he's coming when he was 16, and we definitely didn't know I was taking him out. So this fucker gotta go with his father like that.
I'm back, Junior. Hey, fucking Junior. Wait.
Got him, how you seen that on?
So cooked from earlier, so tired. I didn't put on any sunscreen and it's just super burnt, but the boys are claiming it's like good again and it's like smoother than earlier and no wind, so we're back out there. So tired, we're trying not to fall asleep. I might not even surf, I don't know. Go check them out, but if there's bombs, I'm definitely gonna surf. We're about to go paddle Nazare with the boys, Vinny and Austin. And it looks pretty fun, like 12 feet, maybe. A couple sick ones. We got, oh, they're gonna go over there. We got an 8.6 and we're gonna go try and knife a couple. So hopefully have fun.
Surf from the corner all the way to
We're walking to the awards right now, the Big Wave Awards. We're on the streets of Portugal in front of Nazare. There was a bus, but they said we need to wait for the short bus, so we couldn't get on yet. No, I forgot a belt. I'm just sagging. Should be sagging all night. But yeah, we're walking to the award ceremony. The award ceremony, and hopefully we're gonna win it, bro. That looks like the stage.
Under 18 surfer, recognize the next generation of big wave surfer coming up and making a difference.
This is given by myself and head judge Greg Long. We have the opportunity to review every clip that comes in, hundreds of entries from around the world, and figuring out which one of these amazing clips is by a surfer who's young. This year's was written by a 15-year-old.
15 years old, nicknamed Baby. We won't give it away after that.
Now, let's not give it away, but let's have a look as it's revealed on the screen.
It comes from a family of legends. His old man's a Jaws original. His grandpa was the one that found Jaws. We're honored to have him.
Thank you to everybody that put this event on, and thank you to my family, my friends, all the ways back home. Thank you to Jesus Christ. Without him, I'm nothing. And yeah, super stoked to get this award. It was a long year, only a couple swells, but we made it happen, and hopefully we go bigger next year. Yeah, thank you to everybody.
Jump. Olha o Wilson, mano. Nice. Olha. Olha lá. Alguém tira aí uma foto com ele.
Olha, mas dá-me um toque. Se for embora mais cedo.
I'm next.
Welcome to Nazare.
We're making them hard.
We're making him. Alright. I don't want to say I want baby Steve to bath, but baby Steve's gonna bath. Bath, whatever. You are. You're gonna fucking.
My oldest son, Justin, I just gotta tell you, I still had a crush on you since like 8 years old.
Boy, love you, Justin.
Justin, that's for you. We love you, Justin. Here she is.
Yeah.
Buy all the blue glass and we'll have another party. Great.
Everything's okay. We got it. One more day.
We just rolled up to the cave and it's looking pretty nuts. It's like 8 feet. There's some nuts on, so the tide's still a little bit low, so we're gonna slowly but surely make our way out there. And there's nobody out, and I've never surfed this way before. I have no idea. I've like seen a couple videos of it. Don't really know how it works, but just gonna chance it. We met some brother at the top, and he's gonna surf it with me, and yeah, we're out there, and we'll see what happens. Not gonna try to like go on every little nuts one that comes, but just gonna wait for one perfect one.